Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup tutorial, I don't know, I've been very inspired by like the whole Valentine's Day theme. So I know I did like one using pinks, like the hot pinks, and then from the Jeffree Star palette, and then the reds from the Modern Renaissance palette. But today I really want to play with purples. So I'm debating between the LA Girl and this is Glamorize, their eyeshadows. And then I'm going to be using some of the Karity palettes, so the matte and the Smpkey, and it's just because the Smpkey has this a few purple shades here I'm gonna try to play with, and I figured this one I could use, it's lighter so it'll start the transition, and then inside of the Karity matte palette there's a really deep purple eagle, so that's what I'm planning on using this for. As much as I do not like the company Hidden Cosmetics, like this is one of their things. There's no label on it at all. But I really want to use this like sparkly white color. I don't even know what to call it because there's no label on it. I'm gonna use that, and I'm probably gonna use my NYX Jumbo eye pencil and milk to do like the set the base for it. So we're gonna get started on this video. First, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with the soft ochre from MAC. First, I'm going to start with the matte palette. I'm going to use my angled highlighter brush, and I'm going to go in with a mixture of Luxuria and Whisper. So Luxuria is more of a beige color, Whisper more pink, and then that's just going to go all over my eyes. So now I'm going to go with the LA Girl. This is the Lux eyeshadow, Mesmerizing and Glamorize. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this this light purple color here, this lavender color, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of round out like I did in, I don't know which video it was. I'm gonna go ahead and round out the shadow at the end here. And like I said before, I don't really like the LA Girl Cosmetics line, but their eyeshadows are one of the things that I actually did like. So whenever I do this, I like to build the intensity. I know like some of the videos I have, they kind of rush through it, but literally it'll take me at least, just on my eyes alone, if I do like a really nice job on it, I probably took on average about 30 minutes just to do the eye makeup. But I try to edit the videos down because a lot of it just has to do with building the intensity of the color and then blending out. So the next I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna use this purple shade right here. So now I'm going to go in with this purple color here, and it's called PDA. And you know what, I might not even, I'm just going to keep this on the outer corner. I don't know if I'm even going to go in with the darker color. Kind of. And just because I said I was going to, I'm going to go into the matte palette. I'm going to use the color Eagle. And it's just going to be on the outer corner. So now I'm going to go with the NYX Jumbo Pencil, and this is, or the Jumbo Eye Pencil. This is in the color Milk. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on the inner corner. Kind of do... Yeah, I didn't want to, I wasn't really feeling like doing the concealer thing with it, just because I do it so much that I want to show you guys that there's different ways to do it. So this is gonna help, you know, just create a brighter base for the that shimmering powder. I don't even know what to call it, from Hidden Cosmetics. So it is really sad. It's like I don't want to like their brand, but you know, if the product speaks for itself and I got the product, then it's like I don't want to order from them again. But if I ever find, I have a lot of glitters that I ordered from them, so I'm gonna be set for a while. But if they have something good, I will probably order from them again. Although I still have to send an email to them that I didn't get all my products, and then I got 2 which weren't very good quality. And I'm just gonna go ahead and link the video I posted of when I you know, did my haul, and hopefully they'll honor it and give me something to replace it. So now I'm gonna use this shimmering shadow. I don't know what to call it. It's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and pat that all on top. Okay, so I'm not taking it too high up just because I wanted to see what it looked like. I didn't know if I needed to do something else. I'm just gonna pat this on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the jumbo pencil with the eyeshadows above, just to make sure it has a nice transition. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fill the rest of the shadow, or this, whatever this thing is. So I'm just gonna take a clean Deluxe Crease brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending this out. And for this, I really wanted to use glitter, but I decided I have way too many videos and photos with glitter on, so we're gonna keep it with this shimmering color. I actually really like the way that this blended out. So I'm gonna go back in using, this is the Cosette 225 brush. I know I didn't mention it earlier. Just apply more of this shimmering color. I'm just gonna kind of pat it at the edge because I still want it to be there, but I can't really use I can't really blend it into it, because if I do, it'll take away from this look. So, oh, okay, that was a little much. So now using a shading brush, I'm going to go back in with that really, that light lavender color. Go ahead and line all underneath. Now I'm going to take the purple color and I'm just going to start working only like from here to the end. I'm going to go ahead and take Eagle one more time. And then just the outer corner. So now I'm going to take that accent brush from Real Techniques and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that shimmery shade to the inner corner. Alright, so my eyes are done. I went ahead and put on my eyeliner and then added the lashes. And again, I use the Lux lashes in style number 426. So this is actually, so now I'm gonna get into the lip part. Now this is actually the color that inspired the whole look to begin with. Was I got the Fenty Beauty, and this is the Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in the color One of the Boys, and this is that lavender color. And I'm going to use this eye pencil from NYX. It's called Lavender Shimmer 935, and I'm going to use that to line my lips because I didn't have anything even close. So I actually have not tried this lipstick yet. I have a bunch of things from Rihanna. I just haven't used it in a video yet. So, and then it has the FB logo on top of the lipstick, which will probably disappear after this. Oh wow. Although it's a matte finish, it doesn't feel like, you know, that dry feeling you get when you have matte lipsticks. And I always had issues in the inner corner of my mouth because it's just wet. So to fix that, I usually try to rub a lip pencil on there, or an eye pencil in this case. And I like to drag the color of lipstick. Alright everybody, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the completed look right here. So the eye makeup is really affordable. This is using Rihanna's, her new matte, the Mattemoiselle lipsticks. And honestly, for, this dog is going crazy. Honestly, for being like a matte color, it doesn't feel like a matte color. It feels like just regular lipstick. So If you want a matte finish without the drying, this is a good one. Come here. She's been chewing everything. Come here. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed and joined my ohana, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and then leave me any comments, and then we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.